and action.
Okay, so hi everyone, this is Rasta. Welcome to the 31st day video of Polyglot project and for more updates to +1 challenge. So there's a month I've been studying as a crazy or not, Italian, French and Spanish, and today I have to review and to analyze what mistakes I've made and what good stuff I've learned. So this month I basically focused on the grammar of these languages. So my vocabulary is not very good, but I guess I understood the grammar, and there are Romance languages, so it's very similar to Portuguese, my native language. But some mistakes I've made, for example, was the division I made of the vocabulary. For example, let me try to find here. Wait. Here, I divided the nouns, for example, in 10 classes. For example, profession, scholars, nature, city, body, house, animals, emotions, and extra, and stereotypes. But some of this stuff are completely useless to me. For example, animals. I'm not going to a zoo, so why should I learn animals? And in the verb tenses, I divided some stuff in the wrong way. For example, I separated one day to learn copula verbs. But copula verbs are the base verbs of every language, so I should learn this in the first day. But I guess I made a simple division, for example, present simple, past simple, and the stuff future, and imperfect, and other compound tenses. And that was very good and very clarifying to me. I've been taking notes, for example, about every stuff I learned or I read, grammar and some rules and some exceptions, and this was very good. Now I have one big challenge, because I have 2 more months to learn, I don't know, maybe 80% of the language, and I was calculating I have to learn every day 100 words. Yes, that's a big challenge, and I'll do my best to do it. And as I said in the video that I made to +1 challenge, every day I don't study, or when I miss or when I make mistakes, I'll have a punishment. And my punishments would be tongue twisters. I enjoy tongue twisters because they're very useful to practice your pronunciation in the language, and they're very funny too. So today I went to my friends and said, hey, choose some tongue twisters to me. So they made this list with tongue twisters in Russian, Italian, Swedish, Spanish and French, which are especially French. In Spanish, the language I don't study for one day. So I have to say 3 tongue twisters in Italian, in Spanish, and 3 tongue twisters in French. The other one are just punishment because I deserve it. So let's start with a Russian one. I believe, не люблю, я не люблю. So.
The fuck?
No. Again.
The fuck?
I believe, не люблю, я не люблю. Worse. Okay. Okay. Let's consider that I made it. Now Swedish one. Это попкорн, янка попкорна, тво попкорн, янка попкорна, три попкорн, янка попкорна, you hot and you.
The fuck again, mate?
I have no idea what I'm saying, but that's it. People who speak Spanish, please tell me what did I say. And before starting the serious one, 2 in Italian. Chi troppo in alto sal? Care solvente precipita volmente. Yeah, that's it. That's it. I'm not saying it again because it does no sense. And where is it? 33 Trentini, tutti 33 di Trento, vanno trottando per le valli del Trentino. Okay, that's a good one. Let's go to Spanish. Pablito pisó el piso, pisando piso, Pablito piso, pisando piso, Pablito piso el piso, Pablito piso el piso, pisando Pablito.
Sacos, tequila.
Okay. So, una trepa tiene tres pitos. Cuando la trepa los tres, tres pitos.
Tres.
Ok. Llega al lago y diga luego, el lugo, muy loco, la lengua que el lago luenga, tras lenguas.
De nuevo.
Tras lenguas.
De nuevo.
That's goofy talking, Mike.
Ok. Llega igual al lago y liga luego el lego de lugo, muy longo, el lengua que al lago llega, tras lenguas. Ok?
Muitos velhos.
Sí. One minute? Yeah, 1 minute. I'm French because I was too busy to study French this day. Pauvre petit pêcheur, prendre patience pour pouvoir prendre plusieurs petits poissons. Pauvre petit pêcheur, prendre patience pour pouvoir prendre plusieurs petits poissons. Okay. Dans la gendarmerie, tous les gendarmeries dans les gendarmeries. And finally, 606. Okay, I'll say it again. 600, no. Okay. 606. Okay, last time I'm gonna say it. 606.
Faster.
Okay. And I made a mistake in German last
No, really, go boss it.
Try it
I
faster.
will say 2 German tongue twisters. So let's go. Fischer Fritze, no. Fischer Fritz, no. Fischer Fritz.
Faster.
Try it. And this one that I like. Rauwkleid bleibt rauwkleid.
Saúde.
Cheers.
And
That's good.
okay, I'm gonna finish the video, so that's it. Next Sunday I'll make another video. I'll keep with the updates of Plus One Challenge. Thank you for watching, and I'm sure you're laughing. And I'm gonna finish this video saying another tongue twister that I really enjoyed. It's a language called Tossa, and that's a kind of how would I say homenagem in English? I forgot.
What?
Homenagem.
In honor to the Xhosa people and to South Africa, this is a country that I really love. So let's go. Bye.